Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to add a gradient color to text in Canva. So let's get started. Well, to create a gradient color on your text, I'll navigate into the templates that are available. You can choose any that you find useful. I'll select flyers and create a blank flyer. On the flyer design option, I'll select the workspace and navigate into the color settings of my choice. What I'll want to do is to create a gradient out of this workspace and then bring a text that will mutate the gradient and export that. So to give gradient color to this workspace area, I'll navigate into the color options and select the add color option. So my first color here, I'll choose maybe a yellow color. I'll then navigate back into the color options, select gradient, and the other color I'll want to add, I see I already have green here. I'll change this green to, let's say, a blue, a blend of blue or a very strong blue, depending. I can also add a third gradient color depending on what I want. So I just have two color options here for my gradient to look like this. Notice that I can change the gradient style from linear to spherical and any other design that I may choose. So once this is done, I'll want to bring my text on this workspace. So I'll select on the text from the text option, add an heading, and I'll type in, I'll make it a little bit bigger, and this is how it looks like. So my text is sitting on from a gradient yellow all the way to the blue or this other color. Now, to make my text adopt this gradient color, I'll navigate into my transparency option and reduce my transparency to, let's say, 40 or 40 something, and then change the color text to white or a shade of gray, depending. So I have gradient in Canva, that's my text, and it's white. And I have also changed the transparency to 42. You can do 42, 30 to 50, somewhere there. The next thing I'll want to do is to export the whole design. So I'll click on the share option, making sure it's PNG, and select download option. Everything set, download. Once the download is complete, I'll erase everything in my workspace and I'll navigate into the file that I have already downloaded and bring it into my workspace. Once it shows up, I'll try to make it a little bit bigger, and I'll have an image of the design I have already created. What I'll want to do is to select this image, navigate to edit photo, and select background remover. As you can tell, my background has been removed to some level, and of course Canva kind of left some of the pieces in here. So just to curb this kind of error, then you need to increase your transparency so that these letters are more visible. Well, that is how you create a gradient color on your text using Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.